Hello, I am Aditya Bhattacharjee and I just granted a student visa from New Zealand. And for that, hello everyone. I want to share my personal experience with Emma Translation, which run by Hassan Uncle. When I was preparing my document for my New Zealand student visa for the July intake, I needed professional and accurate translations. Hassan Uncle and the Emma Translation team handled all my document translation with great care and professionalism. The translation were accepted without any issues, and I am happy to say that I have successfully received my New Zealand student visa. What I appreciated most was the reliability, quick service, and attention to detail throughout the process. If you are planning to apply for a student visa, immigration, and higher studies abroad, or need certified document translation services, I highly recommend Emma Translation. Thank you, Hassan Uncle and Emma Translation team for your excellent support, and I wish their continued success. So, contact Emma Translation today for trusted and professional document translation service.
Thank you.
This is Emma Translation, and this is Hassan Uncle. I hope we will all come.